Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your avatar on Cooking Craze application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your avatar on Cooking Craze, firstly go ahead and launch open your Cooking Craze application. The home page of Cooking Craze application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on your current avatar. On the next page, choose the avatar that you would like to change and tap on it. After you're done choosing an avatar, tap on OK. This is how you can change avatar on Cooking Craze application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.